Kia ora. Today we're going to install the Microsoft 365 suite, formerly known as Office 365. So that's the Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and other apps in the Office range of products. This works whether you have a PC or a Mac. If you're using Linux or Chromebooks, you can use the online versions just through your web browser. But we're going to come to the web browser now, and we're going to navigate to office.com. We'll need to log in with our tauira ID. So that's your tauira number followed by akonga.twoa.ac.nz, and then put in your password. Here you can choose to stay signed in or not. I'll just click on yes. Now by default, this takes you to the Copilot AI app. But we're going to come up to our app launcher, click on it, and click on More Apps. From here, we have the option up the top right-hand side to install apps, but we can also use all of our apps just through the web browser. I'm going to click on Install Apps and then Microsoft 365 Apps. From here, we can click on Install Office. What that's going to do is download a small installer for us. So if I come to the Downloads folder now, here we can see Office Setup. I'll double click on this to run it. Yes, we want it to make changes to our computer. Be aware this takes a lot of data. So if you're on a limited connection, come to a campus, sign into the guest Wi-Fi and install from there. This can take a while, so just let it run. That's now done. We can close the installer. Now if I come to my Start menu, I can see I've got Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, Publisher, and Word. I'm going to select Word, and the first time I run it, it'll ask me to sign in. So I'm going to sign in. Once again, I'm going to use my tauira account. And click on Sign In. Here, where it asks me to sign into all apps, I want to click on No, this app only. These apps are available as long as you're a tauira at Te Wānanga or Aotearoa. Kia ora.